Hey everyone, welcome to the world of real estate flipping. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping journey where we turn rundown houses into dream homes and make some serious profits. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find those hidden gems. We're on the hunt for abandoned, forgotten houses with incredible potential. Foreclosures, short sales, you name it. Let's find the diamonds in the rough. Step 2. It's time to unleash our creativity. We'll transform these worn-out spaces into jaw-dropping masterpieces. Think kitchen upgrades, bathroom makeovers, and fabulous curb appeal. Get ready for some serious before and after transformations. Step 3. Speed is the name of the game. We've got to work efficiently without compromising quality. Faster renovations mean higher profits. But hold on, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Real estate flipping comes with its fair share of risks. Let's dive into the dangers. Financing can be tricky, and unexpected costs can put a strain on our cash flow. We've got to stay on top of our budget and have contingency plans in place. Time to crunch those numbers. With successful flips, we're talking big bucks. The difference between the purchase price, renovation costs, and selling price can mean serious profits. Real estate flipping is a thrilling adventure that combines creativity, entrepreneurship, and risk-taking. But remember, proper planning, market knowledge, and a dash of luck are the keys to success. Let's go out there and flip some houses. Thanks for joining me on this real estate flipping journey. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and tricks. Happy flipping, this was your real estate partner. Catch you in the next one.